In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change privacy settings on Xbox to play Roblox. This is an important process, especially if you're encountering restrictions that prevent you from enjoying the full experience of Roblox. Let's dive into the steps needed to ensure you can play without any issues. First, you need to sign into your Microsoft or Xbox account. This is the foundation for accessing all your personalized settings. On your screen, you will see the sign-in page where you input your email and password. Once you enter your credentials, your account will load and you'll have access to all the features available to you. This step is crucial because it allows you to make the necessary adjustments to your privacy settings. Next, navigate to the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the Settings option. This will direct you to a new screen with various settings categories. Under the Settings menu, find and click on Account. Here, you will scroll down to locate the Privacy Settings section. Once you reach this area, click on Manage. This action is significant because it will lead you to the specific settings that control your online interactions and experiences within Roblox. At this point, the Xbox Privacy and Online Safety Settings page will open in a new tab. This page is where you can customize your online experience extensively. You will see options to adjust your privacy settings. It's designed to give you control over who can see your activities and how you interact with others in gaming. By customizing these settings, you can enhance your gaming experience, making it safer and more enjoyable. Now, you will want to select either Privacy or View Details and customize. Clicking on Privacy will take you to the main privacy options available. This part of the process is essential because it is where you can allow or restrict certain features. Each option affects how you can interact not only in Roblox but across other games and applications as well. Next, change the following settings. Start with the option that says you can see and upload community creations. Here, you can either set it to Friends or Allow. Choosing Allow will enable you to engage fully with community creations, which is vital for a richer Roblox experience. After making this selection, move on to the next setting. In the Xbox and Windows 10 devices online safety section, look for the option that states you can join multiplayer games. Change this setting to Allow. This adjustment is crucial as it permits you to join games with others, ensuring you can enjoy multiplayer experiences on Roblox. Once you've made these changes, you are one step closer to playing unhindered. After you submit your changes, it's time to close and reopen Roblox. This step is important because it refreshes your session, allowing the new settings to take effect. You will likely see a difference in your ability to join games and access community features. Lastly, if you are using a child account within a Microsoft family, remember that the family organizer must change these privacy settings. This applies to any parental controls in place. If these settings are not adjusted by the organizer, Roblox multiplayer and user-created experiences may remain blocked. Make sure to communicate this with the family organizer to ensure a smooth gaming experience. Now you are all set to enjoy Roblox with the right privacy settings in place. Remember, these adjustments not only enhance your gaming experience but also keep your account secure. Happy gaming!